Hello dear students, today we discuss about torque on an electric dipole in uniform electric field. What is the uniform electric field? A uniform electric field is field in which all the electric field lines are parallel to each other. Let us consider that these are the electric field lines. All the lines are parallel to each other. Thus, we can say that this is a uniform electric field. This is the definition of uniform electric field. What is the definition of a uniform electric field? A electric field where all the electric field lines are parallel to each other is called uniform electric field. We find out the torque on electric dipole. Let us consider that this is a electric dipole. This point is A, this point is B. Here minus Q charge is situated, here plus Q charge is situated. Clear? Distance between them 2A. Distance between them 2A. We have to calculate torque, but first we find out the force on both the charges in uniform electric field. Here force on plus Q charge in uniform electric field. F1 vector is equal to QE vector. This direction of force, this definition of force is given by the definition of electric field intensity. So you can say that the direction of force is in the direction of electric field. The direction of electric field is along to the x-axis. Then you can say that this is the direction of electric force in the direction of electric field. Clear? Due to the minus Q charge, the direction of force is opposite in the direction of electric field. So force on minus Q charge in electric field, F2 vector is equal to minus QE vector. Clear? This is the force. Thus total force F vector is equal to F1 vector plus F2 vector. Clear? Put the value of both QE vector minus QE vector, F vector is equal to 0. Here total force is 0. Thus torque is generated because force is not conservative here. Thus both the point torque is generated. We have to calculate torque. Then by definition of torque. Torque definition you studied in the 11th class, where torque is represented by tau vector. Clear? That the cross product of force into perpendicular distance. The cross product of force into perpendicular distance is called torque. Clear? Here, what is the perpendicular distance in the diagram? We consider that BC is a perpendicular line. This point is C. This is base, this is perpendicular line, this is hypotenuse. Clear? Thus here 90 degree, here theta degree. Then you can find out perpendicular distance BC by the triangle. From the figure, in the triangle BCA, sin theta, because perpendicular direction is always find by the sin theta. BC upon H hypotenuse AB. BC is equal to, what is the value of AB? It is a 2A sin theta. This is the direction of, this is the value of perpendicular distance BC. Here what is the force? You can select both the forces are equal to each other but opposite in the direction. Then you can take one force here. So torque tau vector is equal to, you can take the value of q e vector, clear, into 2a sin theta. You write it without the torque, clear. It is here also we write in the vector form in the last step. Here we know that we can adjust it, q into 2a e sin theta, q into 2a is p, then p e sin theta. When you remove the sin theta, you can write it in the vector form, clear. In the vector form, torque is equal to p cross e vector. This is the value of torque on a electric dipole in uniform electric field. But if K's are given, then what is the condition of stable, unstable or maximum? Here case first, if theta is equal to 0 degree, because when electric dipole placed in uniform electric field is angle theta is equal to 0 degree, then what is the value of torque? Tau is equal to, you put the value here, sin 0 degree, the value of sin 0 is 0, then tau is equal to 0. This is stable case. This is a stable case because electric dipole can be stable in this condition. If you put electric dipole as this point A, this point B, this is 2A, here minus Q, here plus Q. It can be placed as it is as a long time. It cannot be rotated. So we say that this is a stable condition. Case second. What is the case second? If theta is equal to 90 degree. Here you can understand by the diagram. If this point A, this point B, this is 2A, this is plus Q charge, this is minus Q charge. The angle made by the dipole in the uniform electric field, this is a uniform electric field, is 90 degree, then tau is equal to sin 90 is 1, then tau is equal to PE. This is the maximum condition. If case third, theta is equal to 180 degree. If theta is equal to 180 degree, then this point B, this point A, here minus Q, here plus Q. But it cannot be stable for more time. It can be stable just a moment. So this is an unstable condition, and you can sin 180 is also 0. Thus this is unstable case. This is a unstable case. This is the topic of torque on a electric dipole in uniform field. Clear? Condition stable, maximum, unstable. Thank you so much.